In front of me is OPPO 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. If you wanna clean up your Photos app, I will show you how to do it within seconds. Start by opening Photos and deciding if you wish to delete your pictures from Photos or Albums sections. Let's start with Photos. You need to hold one of them. And now to select multiple right away, use those icons at the top right corners. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete your photos from albums, you need to enter one of your albums, hold one of your pictures, and instead of tapping on those icons at the top right corners, you need to hit select all at the top right corner over here. Exclude some photos the same way as before, and also delete the rest the same way as before. If you deleted any photo by accident, you can always hit albums, scroll all the way down, and tap on recently deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!